everyone and welcome to Akshata's recipes. Well, today's recipe is a little bit of a twist on the normal chili cheese toast that you make. It's got a little bit of toppings to make it a little bit interesting. Now this is an ideal snack when your kids are hungry and you have to prepare something in a hurry, or you have some unexpected guests and you just want to serve something as a small light snack. It's very easy to prepare with ingredients that you have in your kitchen already. So I hope you like this recipe. And friends, I've already touched 200 episodes and recipes on my channel with few vlogs here and there. So please go and check out my recipes. And to make it easier, I've also made playlists with breakfast items, dinner items, lunch items, desserts, baking. So you can go and check out the playlist. That way, you can find exactly what you're really looking for. So I hope you like my channel, and if you do think of sticking around, then don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, please click on the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. So without much further ado, friends, let's go and make this light snack recipe called chili cheese pizza toast. Now for our chili cheese pizza toast, we're going to take some processed cheese. You can also use mozzarella. I've used about half a cup of cheese, 1 green chili cut very fine, some milk, and some mixed dried herbs, Italian herbs. I have my pan heating. First we're going to add the light green chilies to the cheese. Mix it up very well. Now if you don't get your hands on some light green chilies, you can also use chili flakes. Now we're going to add the dried Italian herbs. Mix it up very well. Now we're going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk just to make the mixture moist. We don't want it to be very soggy. This helps us to spread this mixture evenly onto the bread, and it also gives a nice flavor to the dish. Now my pan is nice and hot, so we're going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of butter. You can also use olive oil. It's just to give the toast or the bread a nice toasty flavor. We're going to now place our brown bread or whole wheat bread slices onto the pan. And we're going to very generously put a lot of the mixture on each of the bread slices. Be generous with the mixture and ensure that it goes all over the bread. So spread it out using a back of a spoon. Now with the heat of the pan, our cheese is going to melt and become nice and gooey and delicious. If you add mozzarella, then you'll get that stringy effect. For some reason, my kids don't like mozzarella very much, so I'm just using regular processed cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. This is an ideal snack to give your kids. My kids had just come home from their exams and they were really hungry and they didn't want to really have a meal because they have half-day school. So this was really fast and quick to make. You can even give it to them in their tiffin box. You can serve your guests, you know, if you have unexpected guests. So look at the lovely mixture. It's got herbs and cheese. Okay, a little bit of camera mishap. Now, in order to cook the cheese a little bit so that it gets a bit melted, we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook till our cheese melts a bit. You can use a lid, you can use a plate, anything, just to get the cheese cooked and nice and melted and gooey. We're going to keep this for about half a minute to 1 minute. Your flame on the gas has to be between low and medium. Now we're going to check on it. There you can see the cheese is nicely melted. Now to make it a little more interesting and give it a little pizza effect, we're going to add some nice freshly chopped crunchy bell peppers. I have the green ones. You can use the colorful ones too, the red, the yellow. It's all your choice how delicious and how fancy you want to make this dish. I'm going to add some onion for the crunch. So a little bit of onion, and of course brown whole wheat bread is so healthy. We've in fact actually switched from white bread to brown bread a long time ago now. My kids used to not like it, but now they've too got accustomed to brown bread and they like brown bread a lot now. And then we're going to add some jalapenos. You can add whatever vegetable your kids love or whatever you want to add. You can add tomatoes, you can add anything of your choice. We love jalapenos and olives, and there goes the black olives. If you want to make it more spicy, just coat it with some chili flakes on top. And now again we're going to cook it for about a minute or so on a low flame. And there, it's all ready to eat. So you can switch off the flame now. You have a nice toasty effect of the bread. And now we're just going to plate it. You can even add a little bit of sauce or ketchup at the side. There it is. It's all gooey, the cheese is nicely melted. You can see the toasted effect. It's all nice and crispy and toasty at the bottom. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you soon in another video. Take care. Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like by clicking on the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and join the Akshatas recipe family by clicking the red subscribe button. Once you have subscribed, do click on the bell icon so every time I upload a new recipe or a vlog, you will get a notification and you can watch the video. Do visit Akshatas recipes for more than 200 recipes and lots of vlogs where I share my recipes and some of my vlogs and videos
with all of you. And I would love to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time out to watch my recipes. Thank you guys. Take care. God bless.